Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. This is the biology tutorial in which we will study the animal kingdom phylum Mollusca. One by one I am giving you the phylum so that it becomes easier for you to continue your studies for your exam. So please subscribe my channel if you want me to continue in this way. Here the mollusca, here you can see one organism. This is a mollusk having a mouth. This is calcareous shell. This is the foot, muscular foot, and inside there is the viscera. They have three parts of their body. This is head, this is muscular foot, and inside there is the viscera. So the body is divided into head, foot and visceral mass. Foot is muscular over here. Now here you can see one unique feature, radula. Radula is a rasping organ. This is found in all mollusks except in bivalvia. This is the radula. Radula contains two flaps with teeth, lateral teeth made up of chitin. Another unique feature is presence of osphradium. This is a chemosensitive organ which monitors water current entering the mental cavity. Their kidney is known as metanephridium, or they may have organ of Bogenus, or they may have Keber's organ, which are all used for excretory purposes. Now, do you know the study of mollusks known as? It is known as malacology. All mollusks have conches. This is shell, calcareous shell known as conch. So, the study of shells is known as conchology. They use the ctenidia for respiration. Ctenidia is a special kind of gill only found in mollusks. Their larval forms are trochophore and veliger larva. Easy to remember the names, isn't it? Their shell is formed by their mantle. So the mantle helps in production of the cells. All organs are located basically in the mantle cavity. It is the mantle cavity which pumps the water station. It acts as a water station for aquatic mollusks. Now water is expelled from the mantle cavity with great jet propulsive force through a siphon. All mollusks except cephalopods have open circulation. Only the cephalopods have closed. The respiratory pigment is known as hemocyanin. It is a blue colored copper containing pigment. Just as we have hemoglobin, the molluscans have hemocyanin. Now coming to another, this is the osphradium. Here you can see a pila cut wide open to show you all the details of the parts. This part is known as auricle, this one. This is called epitheca. Here this is a passage for entry of water, and here the water goes out. This is osphradium. Osphradium means a chemosensitive organ which monitors the water current entry. This is found in gastropoda. Coming to the classes of mollusks. The monoplacophora is the first class. Placos means plate, mono means one, and pherin means bearing. It contains a single shell. They have all limpet-like living fossils and connecting link between Annelida and Mollusca, which is represented by Neopilina galathi. Second class is Aplacophora, having no shell at all. Aplacophora. A means no, placos means plate, and pherin means bearing. So no shell in their body. The body is covered with spicule instead. Instead of shell, they have spicule. They have worm-like body having aragonite spicules. For example, Neomania and Chaetoderma. Coming to the third class, that is Amphineura or Polyplacophora, which contains 8 hard plates. They have a large foot on ventral part. Example is Cryptochitons stellari. All chitons belong to this group actually. Scaphopoda is another class. Scapha means boat, and tusk shells like body, like elephant tusks. They have a foot called captacula, which is modified into tentacles. Example, Antilles vulgaris, dentalium. Bivalvia. They have interlocking valves to form a hinge-like substance called umbo. For example, pink tada, unu, scallops, clams, oysters and mussels. Even the pearl oyster belongs to this group, that is pink tada. Now coming to another class, Gastropoda. This is the largest class in phylum Mollusca. Here the legs are attached to the stomach. Gaster means stomach, podos means feet. Examples, Pila, Patella, known as sea snails. These are true limpets actually. The Limax, which is leopard slug, or Lemania, which is keelbug slugs. Coming to cephalopod mollusks. Cephalopod means, cephalo means head and podos means feet. So their feet are attached to their head. Examples are Loligo, which is a squid. Sepia, it's a cuttlefish. The cuttlefish have internal shell cuttle bone. And the devilfish, this is octopus. So this is the end of phylum mollusks. Each and every phylum will be given to you in this way. Please share the channel to as many people as possible so that they can also get the same benefit as you are getting. Please, I request you. So thanks a lot. Thank you very much.